How to chat on Duolingo. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can chat on Duolingo. For this, at first you have to launch Duolingo application on your device. After you tap on Duolingo, Duolingo will be launched on your very device. After Duolingo is launched on your very device, you have to go to the option of Let's Go here. You can tap on the language that you are going to choose, and then you have to choose all of these options as per your very interest. Now after that, you have to go to the interface of very Duolingo, that is the main interface. Now after you go to the main interface, you can go to the person like icon here on the down portion. That is your very profile. Now here in the option of add friends, you have to tap here. Now after that, here you can choose any of your friends that may be from your contacts, and or you can also be by finding any of your friends' name on Duolingo. So like this, if you find any of your friends on the Duolingo, here what you have to do is you have to add the very friend, or you could also follow the very friend, because you'll only be able to chat with the person if you have added or followed the person on Duolingo. So after you find the person, waiting for a while and follow the person and add the person, you can chat with the person. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.